under the Constitution, certain rights have been reserved for the scheduled castes and the scheduled tribes as laid down in Article 330 of the Constitution. Stop. Now, the principal point in respect of which this right was reserved or recognized was that there ought to be reservation of seats so far as the scheduled castes and the scheduled tribes were concerned, in the parliament and in the state legislature. Stop. Then, sir, it was left to the president to prepare the lists and to promulgate them so far as these tribes were concerned, and therefore, under Article 341, these orders were issued by the president under the authority which had vested in him. Stop. In all, as many as 4 orders were issued in 1950, and according to these orders, effects has been given and seats were reserved at the last general election and naturally at the subsequent by election as well. Stop. Sir, at the time when these lists were under preparation and subsequently also a number of complaints were made to the Government of India, and according to some the lists were incomplete and according to others there were certain communities, certain tribes or castes which ought not to have been included, and therefore, when under Article 340 of the Constitution, the government appointed the Backward Class Commission in 1953, they requested the Backward Classes Commission also to consider the question as to whether there ought to be any additions to or reductions from, the scheduled castes and scheduled tribes orders as pointed out by me just now. Stop. Now, the whole question was considered by the Backward Classes Commission, and volume 2 of their report they have dealt with this question on the information that they then had. Stop. Thereafter, sir, twice the views of the Backward Classes Commission were sent to the state government. Stop. In the first place, we requested them to offer to us their views or reactions. Full stop. They were received, and thereafter the government considered all those matters as also the suggestions, and again sent back their tentative views to the state government. Full stop. The state government considers this matter, and thereafter their views in a final shape came, and after the receipt of all this material and after considering all the circumstances, the government took certain decisions. Full stop.
दोस्तों, वीडियो को लाइक करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन ज़रूर दबाएं। ताकि नई वीडियो की अपडेट आपको मिलती रहे।